In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Create Spacetime Cube by Aggregating Points tool. Set the input features to Quake's 36 hours. Click the Output Spacetime Cube Browse button and navigate to the Chile Quake folder. Name the output Quakes 30km.nc. The .nc extension is required. Set the time field to Time Reformat. Leave the template cube blank. Set the time step interval to 6 hours and the time step alignment to start time. Keep the fishnet grid and set the distance interval to 30 kilometers. Click the plus symbol to add a summary field. Choose the MAG field. Enter the sum statistic and select zeros for values to fill the empty bins. Click Tab to ensure the field specification is complete. Run the tool.